With a temperate climate, the ability to grow and utilise high volumes of grass can clearly give Northern Ireland's dairy, beef and sheep farmers a real competitive edge. It is not only our cheapest feedstuff, but for large parts of the province, it is the only crop we can grow. A recent study conducted by AFBI shows that by increasing the amount of grass utilised by just 1 tonne per hectare can increase margins by £441 per hectare per year on a dairy farm and £204 on a beef and sheep farm. In keeping with our mission to make the ruminant livestock sector more competitive, profitable and sustainable, AgriSearch together with AFBI have this year significantly increased the size and scope of our long-running GrassCheck programme. This will involve 35 leading dairy, beef and sheep pilot farmers from right across Northern Ireland to provide up-to-date, cutting-edge information on grass growing conditions and grass quality in their locality to help them make the most of this valuable resource.
Grass growth conditions can vary quite widely across Northern Ireland and throughout the season as well. It's certainly not unusual for us to see growth rates varying by more than 30 kilograms of dry matter per hectare per day throughout the peak of the season. That obviously presents huge challenges for farmers when it comes to measuring grass. So one of the unique elements that GrassCheck offers throughout the season is it predicts grass growth rate forecasts for farmers to help them manage this variability. To provide this data, we measure grass growth on a weekly basis here at AFBI Hillsborough and at Caffrey at Greenmount as well. We also measure grass quality at the same time. We marry this data up with weekly forecast weather conditions and use that to predict grass growth rates over the coming 7 and 14-day period. Farmers can then use this data to manage grass surpluses and deficits throughout the growing season. In Northern Ireland, we have over 300 different soil types across the province, and we also have a real range of different microclimates. Both of these variables really impact on grass growth conditions across the province. For 2017, we're working with farmers across Northern Ireland to provide them with up-to-date information on grass growing conditions in their locality to help them better manage the resource that they have on farm.
Up near Coleraine, we're farming about 100 hectares of medium to heavy land, and on that we're milking about 150 autumn calving cows. The benefits I'll get out of GrassCheck hopefully will be it'll provide me with the management tools to grow more grass, and hopefully then with information I get out of growing the grass I can utilise the grass more efficiently through stocking the farm appropriately with the grass growth, and hopefully that'll provide me with more profitability at the end of the day. I think the precision technology supplied through GrassCheck will help take a lot of the mundane legwork out of measuring the grass weekly, and then on top of that the automated weather station that we have hopefully will provide a lot of useful information.
This year we are recruiting 35 dairy, beef and sheep farmers as part of the GrassCheck project. Each farm will measure grass growth and grass quality throughout the grazing season. From this we'll get a better understanding of grass growth conditions on a range of production systems and land types across the province. Each of the farms are equipped with a weather station and a GPS location date meter, so we get an in-depth understanding of grass growth both within and between field variation. This data will be published on a weekly basis, both online and in the local farming press.